Welcome students. In our previous video we have already learned how to AND operator is works in Boolean algebra. Here we are going to learn about OR operation. So OR operation is minimum two variables are required. A plus B are required here. Okay, so the symbols of at first logic gate. For logic gates, logic symbols are like tail of a fish. Okay, like this way. Don't write here as a oval shape. This is in like triangle shape and this is oval shape. Okay, two values are there. A, B are the input lines, and for output we get A plus B. So these are input line and these are output line for two variables. So for three variables, A, B, C, so output will be A plus B plus C. Clear? So these are the logic gates of OR operator. Now switching circuit. By using switching circuit, we will retrieve our truth table. Switching circuit. For AND operation, in switching circuit, the switches are connected in parallel way. Parallel way means if there are two switches are there, the switches are connected like this way. Not in series. In AND operation, it will be connected in series, but in OR operation, it will be connected like this way. This way. This is battery and this is bulb. Clear? Mind it, in AND operation, all the switches are were connected in series, that is one after another like this way. I think all of you remember. But in AND operation, it is connected like in parallel way. And if it is in three variables, then we must add B, C. All number of switches are there. All these are connected in parallel way. Okay. Now, using this switching circuit, we will get the truth table. Truth table of OR operator. So for truth table, our input value, always input value must be in left hand side and output value must be in right hand side. Output. Input value, there are two values, two variables, and output value there is A plus B is the output. Okay. Now our input value combination is, we know that 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. 0 0 means both the switches are in open. 0 1 means A is open, B is closed. 1 0 means A is closed, B is open. I have discussed this in our previous video for whenever we are doing AND operations. And AB 1 1 means both are closed. Now let us see in our truth table, in our switching circuit, AB, that means both are open. So both are open means the total this circuit is a disconnected circuit. Current cannot flow through. There are two ways. One is in upper side and another in is lower side. But as both the switches are open, so this is current cannot be flow from these sides and cannot be flow from this side. So bulb will not glow. So the output is 0. Clear? Second is 0 1. 0 1 means A is open and B is closed. B is closed means these lines are joined. So current can not flow from A switch, but current can flow from B switch. So from this line, current can reach to the bulb B and B will glow. Okay, so we get output here. if one is open, A is open and B is closed, we get output. That means bulb will glow. So output is 1. Why output is 1? As the bulb is glow if A is open and B is closed. So in our next condition is 1 0. 1 0 means A is closed and B is open. So B is open means current cannot flow from this direction. So current can go flow from A switches. So then also bulb gets glow. So we get output. So that's why output is 1. And obviously when both the switches are closed means both the circuits are connected. So current can flow in any one direction and bulb gets glow. So when both are 1, then output is 1. So in OR operation, we can see that if any one of the switch is closed, that means if any one of the switch is closed, then the circuits will be a connected circuits and bulb gets closed and we get the output. So that's why we can say that for OR operation, if any one of the input value is 1 means closed, then output is 1. That means we get output. For OR operation, if any one of the output is, as for OR operation, switches were in series connection. For OR operation, as the switches are in series connections, then if any one of the switch is open, then current cannot flow because one opening switch gets permission to flow the current in another switch. Okay, but as in OR operation, switches are in parallel lines, so there are 3 parallel lines. So if one is closed, then current can flow in another line. So that's why if any one of the line is 1 means any one of the line is closed, we get output. That is output is 1. And in OR operation, if any one of the line is closed, output is 0. That means whenever output is 1, when all the lines are joined, that means when all the lines are 1, output is 1. Here, when all the lines are 0, output is 0, and if any one of the input line is 1, output is 1. So our conclusion is if any one of the input line is 1, output is 1, and if all the input line is 0, output is 0. Okay, when all the input is 0, output is 0. If any one input line is 1, output is 1. So here I am not doing the truth table of 3 input signals. I have shown it in the truth table of 3 input signal in AND operation. Now you all do it by yourself. Okay, now let us do our NOT operation. Now in NOT operation is an unary operator. So for unary operator, here one logic variables is used, either A, B, X, Y, Z, anything, and it is denoted by either A bar or A complement. Okay, either A dash or A bar. It is also known as A complement. A complement is A bar or A dash. Okay, without saying not A, we can say complement of A, which is denoted by either A bar or A dash. The logic symbol of NOT operation is only triangle with a circle at the front side and one input signal, one output signal. That is A, and output is A bar or A complement. So this is input and this is output. Complement means if the input is 0, output is 1. If the input, only one input signals are there. So for binary operation, either input is 0 or input is 1. So if the input is 0, output is 1. If input is 1, we get output as 0. These are the truth table. So our truth table is for NOT gate, input value 1 and output value 1. So input is A, output is A bar. So as it is a single operation, so either input is 0 or input is 1. Others combination cannot be possible because only one input signal is there. So for one input signal, either 0 can be there or 1 can be there. So if your output is input is 0, output is 1, and if input is 1, output is 0. Clear? In switching circuit, we only denoted the switching circuits of NOT operation is, there are some other mechanism to create this way, but we only draw the switching circuit just for simplicity like this way. A complement here only. Without writing A, we write here A complement. Okay. So A complement in any switches under is denoted as NOT signal. So NOT input is very easy. It is not only works with a one input signal and its symbol is like a triangle. Or operation, it's not triangle, I am telling you many times, it is like tail of a fish. This is OR operation. For AND operation, it is D. And for NOT operation, it is triangle with a circle. With the circle denote adds NOT. Clear? So this is our NOT gate. It is quite easy. Nothing is here. So our three main basic gates are AND, OR, and NOT gate are the three basic logic gates in Boolean algebra. There are also so many gates which is totally based on these three gates. Okay.